Most people get this wrong. They think all premium credit cards are about status. But the surprising truth about the Halifax World Elite MasterCard is that it offers tangible rewards, travel perks, and purchase protections that can save you money if used wisely. The card comes with a competitive cashback program and reward points for everyday spending, including groceries, travel, and entertainment. You won't believe what happens next. Cardholders also enjoy travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage, which can cover unexpected expenses or lost items. Eligibility is more selective than standard credit cards. Halifax requires a strong credit history and proof of income to qualify. Annual fees are on the higher side, but the benefits, if maximized, often outweigh the costs. It also supports contactless payments and has a user-friendly mobile app to track rewards and transactions in real time. However, some downsides exist. High interest rates apply if you carry a balance, and the rewards program may be less valuable if you don't travel frequently or use the card strategically. It's not a beginner card. It's designed for users who can manage credit responsibly and take advantage of the perks. In conclusion, the Halifax World Elite MasterCard is a solid choice for premium users who want rewards, travel protection, and purchase security. For careful spenders who maximize benefits, it's worth considering, but always read the terms and ensure it fits your financial lifestyle. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you choose the right card for your needs.